Hi folks, we have now had this mill for about 24 hours. Showed up last night at 7 o'clock or so. It's now 7:15 on Wednesday evening. We have got it all assembled and ready. We did not install the coolant pump because I'm going to use my Trico now for the meantime, so we took that shortcut, but otherwise it was two people and it took, we stayed up to about 2 a.m. and then we got started again at about 9 a.m. this morning. So certainly quite a bit of time, and you never wanted to rush anything, but we feel comfortable that we've got it all set up. I had enough milling experience that I'm comfortable with taking a few practice cuts now. I made a very quick geometrical part program and we're going to run that now. The only thing I'm doing here is just winging it on speeds and fees. I'm not optimizing those, but the chip load is about 3.5 thou per tooth, so we'll see how it goes. Alright, part is done. That might have been a little bit of an aggressive cut. I mean, it looks okay, surface finish is fine. Part of this is just going to be me getting used to having a much more capable mill than my tag. But I gotta say it's a beautiful sight to see aluminum chips fly like that. Let's take it out of the vise. I mean, incredible surface finish. No real, maybe a little bit of chatter on the side right there, but very, very pleased with this. Alright, going to try a little bit of a different type of cut here using a 11/16 inch 2-foot high-speed steel end mill to face up the side of this part here just to clean it up. Running at about 1,000 RPMs. I'll take a 100 thou cut at at 10 inches a minute, and we'll see how it goes. Alright, here's the part. We ran over the face of it with that 11/16 end mill. That end mill is very old and it must have a burr somewhere. I actually think it was resharpened, so not a great surface finish, as you can see. But what we'll do is, when the new inserts come from the face mill in a couple of days, we'll run the face mill across it and see how that looks. But still pretty excited for making a part like this about a day after the Tormach arrived. Alright, the face mill inserts came in the mail today. Threw them on. This is a 10 thousandths cut, 30 inches a minute at 1,000 RPMs, which I calculated using the G-Code Wizard software, and I have to say I'm absolutely ecstatic with the look and the surface finish. Did both sides in 3 passes and looks great. Really happy, so this one's a keeper. Thanks, folks.